If you own rentals in Columbus, every empty unit, repair surprise, missed rent payment, and legal mistake takes a bite out of your returns. That's why proactive management matters so much. 1020 Property Management supports owners across Columbus, Midland, Fort Benning, Harris County, Muskogee County, Phoenix City, and Fort Mitchell. Their approach is built to reduce vacancies, protect your assets, and maximize returns across single-family homes, multi-unit buildings, and investment properties. It starts before anyone gets the keys. Thorough tenant screening helps filter out late payers, lease violators, and potential fraud before they become expensive problems. Protection also comes from regular inspections and preventive maintenance, which catch issues early, while strong insurance and clear lease terms help contain financial and legal fallout if something does go wrong. A bad tenant, a delayed repair, or a weak lease can turn what looks minor at first into a much bigger bill later. When the property stays occupied, well-maintained, and properly documented, you protect long-term value and avoid the extra cost of frequent turnover. Full-service management handles the daily load for you, from rent collection and maintenance coordination to compliance and tenant communication. That means more time back for you, fewer surprises to manage, and a property that keeps moving in the right direction. They keep the leasing side tight by screening applicants carefully, holding security deposits in trust, and preparing leases that align with state law. They stay involved after move-in too, with biannual walkthroughs and guidance on whether a property makes more sense to rent or sell in its current condition. 1020 keeps day-to-day operations moving with prompt maintenance handling, vetted repair vendors, and clear online communication that keeps both owners and tenants informed. That discipline shows up in results. Their reported 1 to 2% vacancy rate suggests what happens when strong marketing, careful screening, and consistent maintenance all work together. Fair housing rules set the baseline. You can't make rental decisions based on race, color, religion, sex, disability, familial status, or national origin. Georgia tightened the rules in 2024 too, with a 3-business-day pay-or-quit notice for non-payment, a 2-month cap on security deposits for new or renewed leases, and stronger expectations that the home stays habitable. In Columbus, a non-payment case moves through Muskogee County Magistrate Court. That usually means written notice first, then filing, service, and a 7-day window for the tenant to answer. What you can't do is change the locks, shut off utilities, or force someone out on your own. Good documentation and a clean court process are what keep an already stressful situation from turning into a legal problem. If you own a rental in Columbus, now's the time to get ahead of vacancies, repairs, and legal risk with a free rental analysis. Put a full-service management plan in place now and protect your property before the next problem has a chance to cost you.